Is your website losing users because your videos take forever to load? In just a few minutes, let's fix that. Every second counts. If your videos are slow to load, your visitors are clicking away, and that means lower engagement, fewer conversions, and poor SEO. Why speed matters? Here's why fast video load speed is essential. It improves the user experience, nobody likes to wait, boosts engagement and conversions, enhances your Google ranking, and most importantly, it ensures mobile users don't drop off due to slow connections. Key optimization strategies. So how do you speed up video loading? Optimize your video size and resolution. Go for 720p or 1080p, not 4K unless absolutely needed. Compress videos to reduce file size without compromising quality. Use the right file formats like MP4 and WebM. Use lazy loading, only load videos when they're in view. And most importantly, use a reliable CDN. That's where VdoCipher comes in. With our Hollywood-grade video security, global CDN across 6 continents, and adaptive bitrate streaming, your videos load instantly and play without buffering, no matter where your viewers are. Just upload your video and VdoCipher takes care of encoding, security, and delivery. Fast-loading videos are no longer a nice-to-have, they're essential. Make your website faster, smarter, and more secure with VdoCipher.